everyone, so we are in my kitchen and today I'm going to show you how to make Korean style kimbap, but a vegan version. So it's all plant-based, it's really easy to make. If you have these ingredients, you could throw it together. You do not need a bamboo roller, but if you'd like to use one to roll up the sushi, go ahead. Today I'm going to show you how to make it freehand. So the ingredients that we're going to need is a cucumber, carrot, and I already made my sticky rice. I blended quinoa in it. You don't have to blend quinoa. I just like to blend up the quinoa so it's not so much rice in it, I guess you would say. So that's sushi rice mixed with quinoa. These are oyster mushrooms. So you can get a bag like this or however it is at your store. I have miniature ones. I'm going to show you how to make shredded up meat with that. So that is going to be our replacement of the beef that they usually put in Korean style kimbap. You're going to want some sesame seeds, roasted sesame oil, and sweet pickled radish. You could get this at any Korean store. If you can't find this, it is okay. I hope you can. But if you can't, that's okay. Go ahead and just throw in an extra cucumber. We're going to use avocado. I already had half an avocado I used, so I'm going to use the rest of this. And you're going to want a nori seaweed sheet. These are all the ingredients that you need to make Korean style vegan kimbap. So here we go. All right, so we made the rolls. They were pretty easy to make. Like, you could have as much fun with them as you want. So now we are gonna actually eat it, and it smells great. This is a good bite. Gotta have my sriracha. And if you want, since we didn't put any salt, any seasoning, you could do a little dab of soy sauce if you like. Okay, that was a big dab, but here we go. This is amazing. So good. It's perfect. This is just so perfect. I love that I put enough of the sweet pickled radish. There's a good crunch to it. This is a great healthy snack, picnic. Take it for lunch, take it for dinner. Get a little soup on the side and you're good to go. I think I have some quinoa in my food, but I'm gonna finish this up and enjoy it. I hope you guys try this out. If there isn't a Korean market next to you, that is okay. I'm sure we can order everything online. Amazon probably sells the seaweed paper. I don't know. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to know or watch more videos like this, go ahead and hit subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye. It smells so good.